My name is Shilpa and she's Anjushri. Today we are going to discuss about the product that is BioClean Septic. So, hi Anju, tell me about this product that is BioClean Septic.
Shilpa, BioClean Septic is one of the latest biotechnology innovations and the product that we've come up with. It is natural, it is biological, and it's completely safe for use. And it will help you to have a very maintenance-free septic lines. Not only septic lines, but septic tanks, but all those drain lines that comes from the kitchen and the toilet as well.
Okay, so can you tell me more about it? Like, how does it work actually?
This has consortia or mixture of microbes in it, okay, which is microencapsulated. Okay, it's a biotech process that we use. These microbes will actually degrade, or in simple words, it will eat up all the sludge that is collected in the septic tank. There are generic microbes which is already present in those sludge, but these microbes are present in like millions and billions, okay, and they are like commandos of the microbial world.
Okay, that is great.
These microbes will degrade everything, every organic stuff which is there in the septic tank, thereby helping in the maintenance. Also, those oils and greases which is accumulated in the tank, lines which is leading to the septic tank. So it will take care of that as well.
So is this gonna help them help the blockage also?
Yes, definitely. See, this is something, you cannot compare this product with those chemical powders that you get, which you just put and it clears it off.
Yes.
Because they have such chemicals which can corrode your pipelines. Okay. But the best part about BioClean Septic is that it is natural, it is biological, and it is not having any such harsh chemical which will, corrode your pipelines. Basically, it will form a biofilm which will take care of the lines, and it will not lead to any formation of oils and grease, which will lead to blockages.
Okay.
So you can prevent those blockages rather than waiting for the lines to get blocked and then put the powder in it.
Okay.
One more thing I wanted to tell Shilpa, that the product doesn't only clears the organic sludge, but it also helps you to keep it odor free. Okay. So this is one of the most common issues that people face, having odor problems from the septic tank, from the drain line. So this will help you with that.
This is the best part. But I have one query, as you must be aware, like many of the people face problem regarding the overflowing of this septic tank. So is BioClean gonna help them out?
Definitely yes. I should say that we need to understand why there is a problem of overflowing. The sludge that is collected at the bottom, okay, it gets accumulated and it forms a layer, okay, and those generic microbes are not that fast to degrade it, okay, but the microbes which are present in BioClean Septic will accelerate it and degrade it to such an extent that it will remain very clean. Okay, the sludge will be cleared off, okay, and since there is no layer formation now, the backflow of the water is prevented. Okay, so this product is ideal for the overflowing issues that you face.
Okay.
Or, people must be facing.
Okay. So as Anju, you said, we can use this product in kitchen drain lines and also in the toilet drain lines. So is this hazardous or what is it?
No, as I said earlier, that this product doesn't have any chemicals. It's completely safe.
Okay.
Even kids can handle it, I can say, because it's biological. We're not using any chemicals in this. Okay, and it's non-toxic. It's definitely safe for use.
Okay, that is the best part of this product, I think. So, is there any kind of amount which is specifically used or dosage I'm talking
about? Yes, this product is having it's coming in a form of powder. This pouch has 250 grams of the product, and this is sufficient for about 5,000 liters of septic tank. All you need to do is open the packet and flush it down your septic tank, that's it. And if you want to use for your kitchen lines and your toilet drain lines, then you need to just flush it down at night time, preferably.
Oh, is it? So is there any kind of shelf life for this BioClean Septic?
This has a shelf life of about 2 years. And one thing I forgot to mention, Shilpa, that you just need to use it like maybe once a month, and you will start seeing its result, as soon as you put it, and maybe in a month's time you will start seeing the result.
Oh, that is very great. Like you had come up with a product which can help the environment. Yes. Are you manufacturers or importers?
Yes, we are manufacturing it. We have our own R&D and manufacturing unit who takes care of this product, and we are also exporting it to about 45 plus countries globally since many years. and have been getting good responses from all our clients.
Okay.
And very recently we have started selling this product online on about 13 different portals, which is appearing on the screen right now.
Okay.
So you can definitely buy it online from any of the portals.
Anju, I definitely glad to know about this product that is by Clean Septic, and I'll definitely go and log into my computer and buy this product. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Thank you.